98 over simplified to 49 over 15. All right, that's it. It's the exact same stuff we did yesterday, except you just have to flip a fraction first. What? Okay, so we're not going to do those. We're going to focus on the next page, the factored forms. So here we go. We have our polynomials that have, or rational expressions that have been factored. That's nice of them for us. We're dividing this by this. Now, here is the key difference. So this step is done, right? So then this next step, once you have it like this, is to figure out your NPVs. What are my NPVs here? 2, -3, and 0, right? Yeah, he's on it. He's on it already. Now, here's the thing. When you're dividing, you flip the second fraction, right? So as soon as I flip this fraction, this becomes like this. So what has happened? We've added a new NPV because this is now in the denominator. It was in the numerator, but now flipped to the denominator. So you have to catch that NPV. So you just add -1 to your list. Yeah.
Zero stays.
Yes, 0 stays. And I'll show you why 0. Well, you'll see in the second one why 0 stays. All right. So now what do? I've got all my NPVs. I've flipped it. It's already factored. Cancel everything. So x plus 1 is gone. X plus 3 is gone. That's it. So it's x over 2 times x minus 2. Keep all your NPVs. Boom. Okay. So sometimes they're written like that. Sometimes they're written like this in B. B looks more like a disaster, but it's actually the same thing, right? It's this divided by this term. Okay? So when you're doing this, we have to factor it first. So what is 4x plus 12 factor to? Yeah, you can pull 4 out. I get x plus 3 divided by, what can I pull out of 3x plus 12? There you go. Divided by, what can I do to the next one? Yeah. Pull 3x out, and you get x plus 3. And you can't do anything to the very bottom. Okay. Sorry? Is it what? Sorry? Oh, it will, yeah, when we flip. So we just factored it. So what are our NPVs? So when it looks like this, just look at the denominators of each fraction. These two. What are my NPVs? -4 is all you see there. You probably already know what the next one's going to be. So -4. Then you flip the bottom one, right? So this one gets flipped. So this becomes, yeah, that's it. That's right. So you flipped it, and now this is in the numerator, or the denominator, sorry. So our new NPVs are 0 and -3. Is everybody okay with that? Now you cancel. X plus 3 is gone. X plus 4 cancels one of the x plus 4s. All right, that's it. So my answer is nine x. Yeah. That's just multiplying, so it doesn't matter. If you're adding, if it was 3 plus 3x, you couldn't do it. All right. One more example, and then we are done. All right. Here we go. We're just doing A here. What's your first step? Factor everything. I'll let you factor it, and I'll put the answer up in a second here. Yeah. Factored it? Yeah. Are you with us today? Are you with? There's the factored form. Then write your NPVs. Then flip it. Add in your extra NPV. And then cancel. Yep.
Slowly show me how you did. Yeah, on the second, on your first line of work, the bottom right one. The x plus 3x plus 4.
This one?
Yes.
What multiplies the 3 and adds the 4. 3 and 1. So that's just a trinomial. So if you look on your factoring sheet, this guy, bottom left, when you have something that looks like that with a 1 in front of the x squared, you just look for the numbers that multiply to the end and add to the middle. And then you create 2 brackets, and that's what goes there and there. Okay? All right. Numero 3 and 4, please. And that is it for